Hi everyone, welcome to IEMLabs. Today we are going to see how we can deploy a Node.js application in the platform Heroku. So this is the platform Heroku where we can deploy a backend service of any web application easily. So let's start. So first of all, I'm going to create a JSON object which I'm going to pass as a response. So this is my JSON object. And I'm importing my dummy data.json file over here that I've already created. So this is my dummy data.json, and I'm going to send a response. So now let's check it. So let's check here. Localhost 3000. As you can see, the JSON object, the whole JSON object has been rendered here. Now, before moving to deploying the Node application, we must do a few things before deploying the app in Heroku. First of all, it includes creating a file called proc file. Now this file includes the configuration where we are saying Heroku to run the command node index.js so that Heroku understands that this is a node application. Moving to the next part, in our local environment, we have set here a port number that Heroku will not recognize. So instead, we have to create a different technique where we have to set the port number, where Heroku can set the port number dynamically. So I'm creating a variable here. So there is an env file that Heroku will deploy our node application dynamically through this port. So now let's move to our next objective. Is first of all, you must install Heroku CLI in your computer or local machine. So you can go here and you can check Heroku CLI. And you can install whatever system you are suitable with. whether it's Linux or Mac OS or Windows. So first of all, you must log into Heroku here, which I have already done it, and the next step is creating the application in Heroku. So as you can see, my application is created here. Now let's initialize Git here. Now let's commit. And then we can push. Okay, it says here Heroku does not appear to be a Git repository. So what we are going to do is set the remote origin from here. And now we can push. As you can see, my app is being deployed here. So now we can go here and I'm gonna refresh it. And I'm gonna click in the open app here. And you can see the JSON object is running. Thank you.